Use keratin cutters to cut Italian keratin into 3 pieces. To buy keratin cutters, Italian keratin, and extension irons, see links in description. The old K-tips were removed with blue bottle remover. This remover is alcohol-based and leaves the old crumbled keratin with no residue. Remelt the old keratin, trim half of the old keratin off, then add a new piece of keratin on top of the old. Try not to overspread the new keratin. Leave thick and form with fingers. Thank you for watching. Visit visionhairextensions.com or look for product links in description. And please give us a like.